Good morning, students. And today we're going to talk about lab safety protocols. So let's start with equipment. Does anyone know PSP?
What is it?
PSP, that's a great question. It stands for Personal Safety Protocols. For example, this glove you see here is used for protecting your hands. When you're doing dangerous equipment handling with dangerous chemicals, it will help you to avoid the chemical spill on your hands. And also, anyone know what is this one?
This is a lab coat.
And what is it used for?
It's used to block chemicals from directly contacting your body.
Excellent. 100 points for Henry. And now, although we didn't have any goggles right here, but I'm going to introduce you. So this is a goggle. And goggle is used to help you to protect your eyes, help you to avoid the chemicals spilling to your eyes. And by the way, we're going to talk about how to handle with things with the chemical when it actually spilled into your eyes. Now, we're moving on to some more important things. This is a pull it gently, and then slowly increasing it, so it will wash out the chemicals that flow into your eyes. And then be sure to use it for at least 15 minutes, kid. That will help you to wash out the chemicals. And anyway, also take off your goggles when you're using it. Goggles will prevent the water from washing your eyeballs.
A few moments later.
So your behavior in lab is an important part of the lab safety protocols. For example, you should wear all the things when you're performing a lab. And you shouldn't play your ID around like this. No running or chasing each other in the lab. No destroying equipment, no throwing things around, no playing with the water, and no drinking with the chemicals, nor eating with the chemicals. Don't bring any food or drinks into it. Pose it correctly. Put it like this. That's gonna cause chaos. All around. Also, be careful with these equipment. Handle them carefully. For example, look at this Bunsen burner. This thing, you need to operate it correctly. Don't open it without anybody handling it. Be careful and consult it with your instructors. Don't use it yourself, and then open it with carefulness. When you use a test tube holder, be careful. Do not spill it all around. Don't point the test tube to others, etc.
And also for girls, if you have long hair, you have to tie your hair up so that your hair does not mix with the chemical and maybe your hair will get on fire.
Etc. So now we're talking about the chemicals. Every time we talk about the chemicals, especially the harmful one that we deal with it when we're using during the lab, such as some harmful acids or things, we usually use MSDST, which stands for Material Safety Data Sheet. And in this little sheet, it contains all the information I needed to learn about this harmful substances or chemicals. So for this one, this example right here, which you can see right here, we are gonna talk about ammonium dichromate. And can you describe what is it used for?
Ammonium dichloride is used for dyeing textiles as a pigment and oxidizing agent and as in metal treatment.
Yes, and how does it look like? For example, its state or its color and how it smells.
It is an odorless substance with a bright orange to red crystalline salt.
Yes, and where do we store it?
We store it in dry places away from other buildings because it has fire hazards.
True. And then what's the medical cares and things that we're going to deal with it once we bring contact with it?
Firstly, emergency shower and also call for help.
Great.
Contaminated clothing.
Yes, and always remember that after doing all the steps, first contact your instructor or your tutor.
Students, do you have any questions?
How can I become a great teacher like you?
Sure, you can. Becoming a teacher is not an easy thing to do. And that's all for today. Now go to the next class and remember to review the notes too.
Today's test.